Once you try this coconut caramel sauce, you may never go back to regular caramel. It is rich, creamy, and super easy to make at home.
Benedict's table, where every meal is made with love.
Hello kings and queens, welcome back to my channel and let's get started. For our recipe today, we need just 3 ingredients: sugar for the caramel base, then we need coconut milk for that creamy texture, and lastly, we need a little butter, unsalted butter. Start by adding your sugar to a pan over medium heat and allow to caramelize. Next, you go in with your coconut milk. You pour this in batches and stir. While stirring, make sure you're very careful and do not allow the bubbles to splash on your skin. If your caramel starts clumping, don't panic. That's totally normal. Just keep stirring and it will smooth out. Now go in with your other half of the coconut milk and continue stirring until it blends out completely. Next, go in with your butter and stir until completely dissolved. This butter gives it that glossy look. Yes, I mean that shiny look. As soon as the butter is completely dissolved, please turn off the heat. So our caramel sauce, coconut caramel sauce is ready, and we just allow this to cool down before we actually turn it over into a jar or whatever container we want to use to store this. Look at that, smooth, glossy, and perfectly thick. This is amazing over pancakes, ice cream, popcorns. You know what I mean? You can just use this to eat whatever it is you want to eat. Okay, and if you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay safe and out of trouble. Bye.